Hi guys, I'm Aman Chandra and I'm from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my MCA from University of Allahabad with CGPA is 8.43 and I joined QSpider. I got to know about QSpider from my friends. I joined QSpider after completing my course and I get to know about QSpider from my friend. They will give too much extra activities like we need to attend probing sessions and we need to give mocks, and that will help you to clear your interview as well, and that will help you to enhance your communication as well. And while you are studying and doing your theory section, and they will give hands-on experience on projects and all, so that will help you to survive in company also. I would like to say thanks to all the trainers who helped me a lot. I will thanks to Pradeep sir who helped me to improve my communication and my manual knowledge, and as well as I will say thanks to Krishna sir to help me a lot to understand the SQL in easy way, and thanks to Shruti ma'am. She gave very good experience on Java, as well as thanks to Abhijit sir who gave me too much knowledge on Selenium, and he helped me to complete my projects and all. That helps my resume to gain some weight while I was applying from outside also. But at last I got a job from QSpider, and thanks to everyone.